We'll guide you through how to live stream games on TikTok from a PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So what we need to do is go and get an app in order to go and start streaming on our computer. So that app is called the TikTok Live Studio. So you can open up a new tab and you can go and search for it like this, and you can come to the TikTok site. Here we are. Now you'll go and see the download button, which we can go and click on. So you want to go and click there and wait. When it's finished, open up your file explorer and you want to go and head to your downloads. Here it is. You want to go and double click on the downloader. You'll get a security pop-up you need to agree to. Here you can press install now and wait. When it's finished, you can press open and wait. Go and press login to begin. Now go and log into your TikTok account. We'll guide you through the live access in a moment. For now, press Explore Live Studio. You can go and press Get Started like so, and it'll go and help us set it up. In this case, we're doing a gaming live, and then what you can do here is go and choose your microphone and camera, and you can go and press Continue. It'll then go and test your network speed. It'll test your system, and we'll go for the recommended option here, and then press Continue. Choose whether you want to go and stream in portrait or landscape. If you're doing a game, it's most likely landscape's going to work better, but you can also do portrait as that does look better in TikTok, and you can always go and add your camera above it to fill up the space. In this case, I'll do landscape and we can press finish. We'll go and double click here, and then what you can do is you can do any full screen game or select one. In this case, I'll select Minecraft. Make sure that it's not minimized, and then we can press apply, and there it is. If you want to add a camera, you can press add source to the left, and then you can choose camera and you can press add, and you can go and add in your webcam. And then what you can do is go and click on it and you can adjust it like I'm adjusting the game here, and move it around to your liking. And then when you're ready, what you can do is press go live at the bottom. Now, what you will need to do is we need to go and apply for the live studio. You need to apply for access, which is really straightforward. So press apply, and you need to go and complete the application here. You'll get reviewed, and then if you get accepted, you'll be able to come back here and press go live, and your streams, everything is set up. That's it.